colleges is the degree of transformation that they've been able to do. All of us know that, the input largely determines the output. One striking example here is the transformation that they've been able to do. I've been to their campus at night, 8:39. Still, you'll see a set of students with the faculty, doing some special coaching classes and things like that. Two things. One, to get the student to come to a class at 8:30 is a challenge, which all of us know. And also having a faculty to come and take these classes is again another, it's a huge challenge, given the market we are in. But having such an environment is something, the credit should go to the entire management of, which is led by, of course, Ramakrishnan, his father, and all the director and principals who've been doing a tremendous job. Good that he chose Karur as a place where this college is set up, not a Coimbatore or Chennai, because we have enough and more colleges here. Doing something in a place like Karur is something which is really, worth a mention. And of course, we all know the advantages of hiring from a Tier 2 or a Tier 3 city, wherein these people come from a good attitude and your joining ratios are better, and of course the longevity is higher. So on this occasion, I like to congratulate the entire management of Kumaraswamy College and Ramakrishnan Group of Colleges for whatever they're doing, and I'm sure they will reach greater heights in times to come. Thank you very much.